Etienne for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so. Ghanaian musician Trigmatic na so ayeshe. If you say a branch here amachi dede de no court amachi dede AC say wobenya 1 million Ghana cedis efri ne ho. Na bo be bisa say aden na amachi dede wo sue Trigmatic. Assembly ni last month around 15th of last month Trigmatic ekotina show so na watch nkomo mo amunim interview na interview mu na yebisa na say won bobo musicians womo good songwriters onu ni favorite songwriters na bobo Kodwentwi bobo Daddy Lumba mu bobo J.A. Adolfo wawe hu nkrofo bobo Kodwentwi Daddy Lumba J.A. Adolfo na amachi dede ne lie amu nti ho na wo mesi amachi dede din wambo amachi dede din na we be say na ade na wambo amachi dede din no si o wonu de wonim say amachi dede enyo no na otro ne nyom na mo say asem kese be na wo bo no intam kese be na wo bo so yi amachi dede abranti amachi dede o pese o tren say enyo no na otro ne nyom o say ane enyo no na otro ne nyom na Ghanaian highlight musician bi wa friend Akable no bo we are taking the girls away Akable no bo san nyom no na wase Akable akache no pain na answer na Akable be kache no one of Ghana ye high life musicians in so akache no pain say amachi dede no enyo no na etro no njom na abranche bi na etro njom ma no na sa abranche na wotro njom ma na kra no wewu na wono Trigmatic no ni refi sa abranche ne kra ne din inti ntanke sei na Trigmatic kokko boss so e wo show ne so na wakasa wie ya wokọ round oni se waka na adwen ehwa na yeti hu se amachi dede bo efu amachi dede bo edwalai aden na ewo so tumi kwa kansem bi se efa ne ho because old musicians na high life musicians ne de wo mo no ye hu o mo se akwa se rapper so wo ye rapper na enye wa na wo tro raps there na to say ye nimguase nti high life musicians so mo hu ne sa ti ye se enye wa na wo tro wo ndwuma to say ye nimguase ema o ati ase nti amachi dede hu ne se dabi Trigmatic akogu ne hu fin nti ye nyantiye se amachi dede kra no waye na adwe se wo be sue Trigmatic na Trigmatic ba bonten ebe pa acho se asema wo kan no wo sra amachi dede but still waiting for and the breaking news eba and they say amachi dede abranti amachi dede and the Trigmatic akokota will seek for 1 million Ghana cedis for a year damages say a year Trigmatic no we defame or no amachi dede say we gu ne hu fin nti ode no court say court ma won chi asase kan say we gu ne hu fin na obi be bisa say na say mu nso aye kan e ba ne say ne ogu hu fin etie for me person be read this statement no na wo ti ase ye na wo hwe bebi amachi dede boy say effect adie we ya Trigmatic kan effect aba wono amachi dede so was it the words published by the defendants Trigmatic referred to and were understood to refer to the plaintiff Amachi Dede, and they were understood to mean that the plaintiff is incapable of writing his own songs. B, that the plaintiff's songs are written by someone else for him to sing or produce. C, that plaintiff's stature and legendary status may be taken with a pinch of salt. Not just some man Trigmatic kanini nano. 1. Wapesa otes Amachi Dede no tro ne nyom. Enu nti no Amachi Dede sebe senia Ghana for ye hu ne se wo ye good songwriter, wo ye legendary artist no Ghana for ma ye hu ne sa. Or see D, that the height, popularity and the fame the plaintiff has achieved in the music circles over the years are not genuine, and that the esteem and reference people hold and have for him as well as the nation on the plaintiff as an ace and top class musician should be reconsidered. Not just a senior Ghana ye hu Amachi Dede say wo ye top class. Just a reference aye dem manu Amachi Dede de wo ba wo bi anim say hey serious na eba no and just say Ghana for ye fan serious biom because senior na ye fi say wo no na tro na njom enu hu nti ye respecting say Amachi Dede na sisi an ye hu ne say enyo no na wo tro na njom nti say respect ni kwan say e wo ho nti statement no no na wo wie ya na tese wa onim say statement ne de brofo akese ene tese law nsensema akese bebre Now, me person me read it, me take some portion because statement in there truthfully ewa. Now, baby, was it? However, we declare that per the defendant's defamatory publication on the plaintiff, as na me person muti ni ye. Was it per the defendant's defamatory publication on the plaintiff? He is likely to have diminished show contracts and low attendance to his shows. Into more na more say oh asem we treatment the kind no effects ben and ebe have we amachi de so amachi de wu ko su no for 1 million Ghana cedis no was it any asema treatment akoka afa amachi de ne ho no eye likely say ebe ma se be amachi de contractor eye awonya ana deals awonya no eye likely say yen fa money biom because obi be man contractor the pakune man contract based on amachi de being a legendary songwriter. Na ende anebia wo bi ekohu amachi dede se amachi dede me pese metia na outro njo mamia the pakuno act say trademark e kan semwe no won fa sa contracting bra amachi dede biom because obeka say oh say amachi dede kra na enyo no na etro na njom obesi den atro njom pa amame nti one asema trademark aka no ebetumi amachi dede we lose contracts. 2 low attendance to his shows nti the omo kan say asem we trademark aka no ebetumi ama sabe amachi dede bo show aye ni say December ba na December so ba say ya most musicians no omukoko season ni time bi say no mo bo shows nti ebetumi aba na say amachi dede ko bo show kan na enkrofo enko biom because trademark amagana fo ase say amachi dede kan na enyo no na etro no anenwom meanwhile ayentro so from amachi dede ne camp no asem we no me akoto court ni. Now, was it the statement of claim is seeking the following: A declaration that the defendant's words published of plaintiff are defamatory. Not just say one. In some trademark what can for amachi dede ho no, was say what see say sansem egu amachi dede ho fin. B was a general damages for libel contained in the defendant's publication endorsed by way of attachment and particularized paragraph 11. Was it aggravated damages arising for libel published by the defendant of the plaintiff to the sum of 1 million Ghana cedis against the defendant? Not just say in sama. Trademark the yako kan fa amachi dede hu ni no. Wabobo effect have e won so and effect e be have won so. Now one thing I waka say amasabe womo pe amachi dede asem friend ka disturb no de twetwe no ene ne sama amachi dede lawyer say dia beto abonten say ye friend amachi dede twetwe no say say wo ka nya wa na wo tro nyom nti wo say amachi dede wo ho abon so wo bi friend no de sre no say hey abrant amachi dede say wo kra wo nye serious na ba ko na kate ni wo bi afre no de twe no all because of insema trademark kan no Nkofon so aye disturbed every amachi dede ever since trademark can same way no amachi dede has not had a peace of mind. He's always disturbed. They be hu na waye basa because nkofo friend no trying say say ni ati o say ni ati eye ne kre say wa answer ma afi wa bre nti afi de afuno no wo de court na enya 1 million Ghana cedis ne pen na wo moje was also a cost of including lawyers fee. Not just say one no amachi dede ne lawyers because lawyers no dey any free work no more yama amachi dede no. It is sika amachi dede be tia ne lawyers no. Say trademark etia sa 1 million Ghana cedis ni wia e was also tia lawyers no omusika lawyers fee so tia kan if court ne ehun ne say ne kre asema trademark aka no eye asema egu amachi dede hu fee a etiefo asem we die asoshiaba na sanya me din kan sanya me kan earlier no I think say asem we eba first no for me no I didn't actually take it serious because say ye ni ayete say amachi dede aye na adwen say ye nya huhu won say ye industry ni minti huhu ne de ye bete iti ati huhu say amachi de ya na adwen say wo be obesu no iti trademark kasem no on 15th of October iti on 20th of October and a Trigmatic bar bontin just say 5 days after Walker's answer no and a Trigmatic bar bontin ebe render an apology eka say asema wakan no ohun se wanka ne ye ohun se wanka ne ye na ya ade a che say wasre Amachi Dede na me pese me video apology no kra etre mu na mu nua mu hu wo say I have not even seen the story. I received series of calls, but because I didn't know some of the numbers, there were some that I didn't pick up, and then I did get calls from the man himself, and he wasn't too happy with my statement. I just said, "Was say Amachi Dede ankasa frɛ wɔ no Trigmatic no, etre ne say ɔno Amachi Dede ne nibu efu." What you say? Na wɔne Akwesi Aboagye na ye show no, ɛno ka say and that was it, and also Akwesi Aboagye called me. I say Akwesi Aboagye mo friend no, and explained from my angle that it was without any malice. I have no intentions to defame him or anything of that sort. So he spoke to me that they are not happy. In order to bring peace and from a very responsible and respectful point, I do not necessarily explain or express, because that will not drag the entire thing. I said because that will only drag the entire thing. Rather, do the needful this morning on the same platform which I suppose gave a statement that they are not happy about. One thing I want to put out is that I have no intention whatsoever to defame anybody. For my records, I have been very consistent in honoring some of these legends. I mean from JNT or can say bebre say one no there say but later no in some no niti ene ne nan say wo pa acho wo say asem ne there wo pa acho into wo sha wo pa Amachi Dede cho no. Exactly a month after or the apology ni buy no, we are seeing a year say Amachi Dede is Trigmatic. Not just say a chopper or pie no still. And so ni dem. Montra madjo comment box mo tie for me da say.